Pakubeka, you're number one.
Mwachinaki. Mnino inya tumbo chika chikafu changu pana.
Na. Sanati chafa. Avasi zinonaka wewe.
Ay, say any papa panchasuka.
Nah, no problem. And it's just
Gugu. Azuswedza mukoma unenzara bana.
Ndinonyi mechikafu chakazara pana poda iso.
Vanobika mainina. Chikafu chinoswera chiripo pana pana.
Munotaura kabankuru pamwe ndikubika chikafu chishoma nchipakurira isirife.
So you mean a right size, a right flavor. Oh, I'm sorry, my name. Definitely what one we say, Varar.
It's okay, Bamukuru.
Gugu. Is everything okay? Huh?
Kwa nireo, yantupe hagi huko. Tongo usada hagi.
Sa. Net stress yandinayo shaka. I can't be distracted in my body's card.
But there's nothing wrong with it. What?
We even a desperation yaona yoga. No kutengesa kokuchendwa na maikero.
I'm giving you 5 minutes to state your business or you get the fuck out of my car.
Paruda Marisha.
You're patient again?
Yes.
How much?
600.
Tondi, I can give you 600 today. 1,000 tomorrow, 10,000 next week. But I can't keep doing it forever. You really need to do something about yourself. Do you think all these rich people can go garavasna pavakatsika?
Nati, but we spoke about this.
It's a jungle out there, Tondi. Only the fit survive.
Nati.
Sha, it's either you shape up or you shape out. Sha kwauri. Shape up or shape out. Interprets anyway.
please make us breakfast.
You know what? I could do this every day. Everything is going to be fine. I know. But I just want you to know that you're stronger than you think.
I don't know.
You know it's good to talk about things. Just talk. You'll be fine afterwards.
No, I did everything right, you know. But it's just that with panofamu, apashayike muroi. And apana anoda kuti kumaini kwake kuite mawanu.
What really happened?
You know, but no mine and it. Need some supports so that with mine they say isimbe.
Okay.
And day that I wasn't even there. It is the same day and again on Namchembere Kumusho.
Oh, I remember.
Then boom, the next thing that was got mine collapse because I come on some supports.
Who was in charge of safety?
The thing is, my small claims could go. No one holds a permanent position or a permanent salary. Because married the past is a gara, it's no needs. So a panamon anonzi up and no package puche.
Okay, I see.
So it all comes back to me.
Yeah. You know, I'm going to feel better, but everything is just going to be fine. It.
Asi naiva sekuru. Hakuna ere imwe nzira yekuti ningagadzirise nayo zvinhu izvi.
Mbwende, hakuna musho unovakwa nembwende.
Kuti zvimwe zvese izvi. Ndingagone asi apa ndiremera. There is a way, but I'm afraid it is dangerous.
There's no harm in trying.
Someone is willing to help me out, but I'm afraid there might be a cage.
What sort of a cage?
Wako haana ngozi, asi anenge atove dzimu rako rinenge richitokutarira iwewe, rinokubvumbamira nekuti hakuna dzimu rinokudyarira jambwa. Tsiga hana yako iyi, udzike misi. Hana yako semunhu wemurume.
Ndikukwate. You might end up owing someone for the rest of your life.
Pride. You're afraid of letting other people help you.
You won't understand.
No, I don't know so. I understand you more than you think. By chance. They took risks.
Let me finish this sausage.
I swear I could believe what you made shumba.
So I shumba. Shumba.
Yeah, sure. You know what? This life is a jungle. The lion is the king, and you are the lion.
You've lost me.
Derikuti. This life is a jungle, and it's the survival of the fittest. So it's either you shape up or you ship out.
Shape up or shape out.
Tsiga hana yako iyi udzikamisa hana yako semunhu wemurume.
Single ladies come to daddy. Mazwano andina baby. Akanditari kumwezi. Pangwe hachazoke maybe. Zitarangura katuko nani. Chains o minge musuwa. Chando bahuro. Samisa riflo.
Kondo zvatafika.
What are you talking about?
Kunonoka ka. And we had a plan.
I was doing some reservations for us.
Why wasn't I consulted? I will need to work around an escape plan per day.
We are leaving tomorrow morning.
What is this? It's positive again. Ko adunduudza takashasa protection nayo.
Sorry, ingori positive inumbu.
You are joking, right? Ukamona upi PA yangu ndombi ya boss wake. We are going to kubisa this thing. How much do you need?
I think we'll talk about that whole vacation.
However, the Ministry of Mines has launched an investigation into safety protocols at the mine. The police has opened a docket to determine if negligence played a role in the incident. The injured miner is currently receiving treatment at a local hospital, and his condition remains critical. The victim's family has expressed outrage at the incident and is demanding accountability from Matamba.
So tell me,
What?
what's the worst case scenario?
The guy dies.
And if it doesn't?
Still.
Mawan.
But the hospital bills alone, they're just too much for me. I had to sell my car to cover everything. Apa umkadzi wake is expecting kuti I pay the school fees for her children.
Contract?
Mena wakaivandalize ikoko wachiita maprotest awo.
Cause nobatsiri. Apasiro pabasa pavel.
That's a list of my worries.
40.
Mines handiti ndo painobva yauya baba. But they're descending on me like vouchers.
But my papers are in order.
Vanhu vaya vakushaire mhosva cha. Apa I'm grounded trying to pay every Tom and Jack. Vanhu vandaidyisa mari zvinhu zvichiri right.
Yeah, munhu atende taura zvinhu.
Yeah. It's gonna be fine.
No, never.
Talk to me.
You won't understand.
Mom, try me.
Yeah, she needed.
I can safely say paradise no easy. Where did you leave it?
I don't reveal my sources. Lover boy.
Yeah, I've enjoyed.
What did you say?
Gugu,
I
can explain.
Explain what? How I suddenly became a chiworo? Suddenly because it was in film. Chiworo. I had gone out of my way because Nandako it was chikorobo. Then I decided to up my game, but
I didn't know it was that bad. My brother is stupid. He is.
But
Look at me, Gugu. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Ndikakuonaga ropa rangu rinomhanya-mhanya.
it doesn't touch me anymore.
I'm right here for you, my queen. I'm here. And the rewards you kukuona for a lifetime.
I
would never deceive you. Never. Bas. Umatodzoka kare?
Yeah, just want to spend some time nekoso rangu. Nangoridzira jinja ndiri kubasa. Gee, he's my brother. He knows we do the thing.
Does he know you've been treating me like trash all along?
Come on. That's what I'm here to make up for. With my weakness here. My princess, I know you're not happy with what we have been lately. Please, from the deepest part of your heart, forgive me for my shortcomings. I want to see you. Baby, please.
What do you mean?
Ndikuti nini? Ni chipo changu ichi, baby. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Take it. Oh, maybe handitokodza dzinza.
Naime.
Maybe I should excuse you guys. It seems this is an in-house issue.
No, you're my brother. Actually, Saraba Musha, Saraba Wana.
Naime.
Okay, I'm out.
Tichafa.
Baby, he is me. He's just like me. Actually, he can perform some duties on my behalf. Atina Chakambosiana. Yes, of course. There are some things that are mine alone.
Like?
Like, you know, come on.
Am I attractive to you?
I will tell you what is not attractive on you. An insecure woman.
Am I an insecure woman?
I think I have to show you how attractive you are.
Okay. My name. You gave me a muda utange. I don't like sharing.
Don't worry. Mimi nyaningako anikwari kutochwa wako.
Kwani gasokone mako mmoja ini mabokio. Unafondo feel say.
I'll make sure you have all of me.
Sure, promise me.
I promise.